Welcome back to the Organic Rose. Today we're going to talk about plastic bags. There's lots of different kinds of plastic bags out there, but I'm really not going to talk about that. As far as what I want to emphasize to you is that these plastic bags can be reused several times. I use mine 15-20 times, and I just wash them out with soap and water. I have a laundry, like a clothesline set up in my water heater room, and I just hang them with clothespins and just hang them like that, and they just hang there, and within a day or so they're dry. And then once they're dry, I take them and I sort them on a table, sorting them for different sizes. Small ones, mediums, medium large, large. So I separate them all, and then once they're sorted, I'll roll them up and put a band around them and put them in a cupboard in a cabinet, and they're ready to go for next time. So like I say, 15-20 uses is not a problem. You're helping eliminate one of the major problems in our world today is these islands of plastic in the oceans, whether it's the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean or the Indian Ocean. Whatever ocean it is, there are just islands upon islands upon islands of this oil-based product, these plastic bags that we use as an everyday thing. And it's my little way of helping to kind of chip that down a little bit, as it were. These are just regular disposable, supposedly disposable, but I call them reusable plastic bags. You can also get something which is another grade or two up. It's thicker gauge plastic, and these are designed and sold to be reused. The company's called Full Circle. Makes sense, right? They're pretty, they've got some designs on them, but definitely the thickness is much thicker than this one over here. But either way, they both work. These wash up nicely, and the bottoms have a little stand. They kind of open up so you can actually stand them up to fill them up. That's kind of handy, where you can't do that with these. These I have to put into a bowl, set into a bowl, and then open it up and then go ahead and fill them. So in that aspect, these are much handier. And then this bottom just kind of folds like that. Boom. The clothespin goes on it, hang them up on your line, and just let them dry out. A couple days later, they're ready to go again. Like I say, 15-20. These guys you can probably use 50 times. And then what I also like to do is you want to kind of mark your stuff. Okay, like this one. This one had Calbi ribs in it at one point, 5 pieces each. It also had gefilte fish in it at one point. It's got the date on there. So once I'm done with that particular product, I scratch it out and then write a new thing on there. But it's always good to label it with a felt pen or some type of marking device, and then the date when you put that in there, and then whatever product you put in the bag, then you're going to go ahead and put it in the freezer. Now when you take it out of the freezer, you know what's in there. It's not a mystery meat of some sort. Anyway, reusable bags. Yes, they can be reused. If they're designed for reuse or not, they can all be reused. So I would definitely take this idea home and help eliminate those plastic islands. We'll catch you next time on the Organic Rose.